So, natong scripture reading karon na sa Proverbs chapter 4, verse number 7. Ingon ang balaang kasulatan, wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding. Igsoon ing ana ka importante ang wisdom sa atong kinabuhi. The Bible tells us that wisdom should be our primary pursuit as it leads to understanding and ultimately a deeper relationship with God. Kabalo ba mo igsoon sa 1 King chapter 3 verse number 5 to 14, ang Ginoo nakipagstorya kang Solomon pinaagi sa damgo. Ug niingon ang Ginoo, Solomon, pangayo maskig unsa ug ako ning ihatag. Igsoon ang gipangayo ni Solomon is wisdom. Ingon ang balaang kasulatan, the speech please the Lord. Nalipay ang Ginoo. Igsoon ing ani man gud ni. When we seek wisdom, we align ourselves with God's will, making decisions that honor and please Him. Prioritizing wisdom helps us navigate life's challenges with grace and truth. Muna igsoon, get wisdom. Thank you and God bless us all.